ABC Cleaning down the road is only charging half of what you're charging. Ever heard that? I bet you have. And let me tell you, getting into a price war is like trying to mop up a flood with a paper towel. You will just end up overworked, overstressed, and broke. Today, I'm going to give you 3 powerful ways that you can compete without slashing your prices so that you can make some real money and attract some good clients that align with you and your business. Ready to learn how? Let's go. Pricing wars are a trap. In the beginning, having cheap prices might seem like a winning business formula, but I promise you it is not, and you will be on a hiding to nothing. All cheap prices do is make for overworked, underpaid and burnt out cleaners, attract bargain hunters and not loyal clients, and you will always compete on price and not value. See, here's the thing. There will always be somebody in the marketplace who will charge a ridiculous cheap price. And if you want to be the cheapest in your area, then I promise you, you will always be on a race to the bottom, and you will end up doing a lot of work and not making any real money, getting really frustrated with your business, and then probably quit. Instead of stressing out and competing on price, let's learn to compete on value. So let's explore that and have a little look at what that looks like. Tip number 1 is show the clients what they're paying for. Clients and potential clients won't always see the difference between a cheap budget cleaner and you, a professional, insured, trained cleaning service. And so if a potential client is like,
"Oh, you're so much more expensive than ABC Cleaning,"
you can come back and hit them with,
"Yes, some cleaners do charge less, Mr. Client, but this is what my service includes."
So your service is insured, your background checked, you're trained, high quality cleaning products, you're reliable, guaranteed cleaning results, and that against a cheap option of no insurance, no guarantees, no training, and uses wherever products they find in home bargains or under the sink because they're not cost trained, is a world of difference apart. Maybe you could create a detailed breakdown of what your clients do receive. As an exercise, I would invite you to write down all the things that make you and your cleaning business unique. What is it that makes you stand out from all of your competitors, and what is it that you bring to the party? Is it premier cleaning products? Is it premier cleaning tool? Are you trained in speed cleaning techniques? Write down a list of all the things that bring value beyond basic cleaning. Tip number 2 is to use some testimonials and social proof. Let's be real. People don't trust a business or a corporation or a product on Amazon just because it says, "I'm super good, you should buy me." It is the reviews, the testimonials, and the references that will sell those products. This is why over the past couple of videos we have spoken about testimonials, references, and referrals, because they are absolute gold to your cleaning business. So when that pesky client says, "You're more expensive than ABC Cleaning," you can hit them with, "I understand that price can be a concern, Mr. Client, but why don't you take a look at my references and testimonials that I've brought along with me so that you can see what my clients say, and I can assure you I'm good value for money." As an action step, start collecting reviews, testimonials, and references wherever you can. Get people to write them, send out templates for reviews, get them to do it on your Facebook page, your Google My Business page, leave it on your website, Yelp, Check a Trade, wherever it is that you like reviews to be left. And then share them testimonials and reviews everywhere in the world, everywhere you can post them, on your stories, on your main page, on your feed. Turn it into a reel. Let the world know how super duper awesome you and your cleaning service is. Tip number 3 is add bonuses instead of discounts. Ooh, spicy. Instead of lowering your prices, why don't we try increasing the value of what the client gets? So when the client hits you with ABC Cleaning is cheaper, you can go back with, "We don't offer discounts, Mr. Client, but we will clean your fridge on your first cleaning service free of charge." First time bonus options can include a free fridge clean, free checklist on cleaning tips, free aromatherapy spray after any deep cleans. This tactic helps to keep your price firm and set, but lets the client think that they're getting an exclusive and special deal from you. So as an action step, I would invite you to start thinking about What are low cost things you can do inside of your business that will bring high impact and value to your clients? You are not meant to serve everybody, so let's not try. So in order to compete without slashing your prices, we have talked about showing what sets you apart from your competitors, using testimonials and reviews, and offering bonuses, not discounts. And if you would like to learn more how to price up like a pro, you can watch this video here, or you can watch this video here that YouTube thinks that you will like. Thank you so much for being here with Made in Business. I will be here next Wednesday. Until then, you stay sparkling. Bye bye.